Hello class, we are now in lesson 6, the cleaning and repairing of tools and equipment. So make it a habit to clean tools after each use before you return them to storage. Wipe them down with a rag or old towel and be sure they are free of dust, grease and debris before you put them into their proper places. This is also an opportunity to look for any damage or defects. So, electrical tools and equipments are the first requirements of any project undertaken. A selection of these tools is a quite tricky task, but maintaining and storing them carefully so that these tools can last longer is not at all easy. Prevention is a systematic way of the protection of tools and equipment in order to keep them safe, usable condition, limit downtime, and extend productivity. So maintaining these tools does not only make work smooth, but also prevent workers from hazardous situations. Hence, it is necessary to understand ways for tools maintenance to ensure that these tools work properly and prevent users from electrical risk. For better understanding, check that points that I will discuss to you right now. Okay, let's have the cleaning of hand tools. The most basic category of tools used in the electronic industry is the hand tools. Some hand tools that are frequently used are pliers, wrenches, screwdrivers, utility knife, hacksaw, wire strippers, and many more. The most simple and effective way to clean hand tools is to wipe them with a clean piece of cloth at the end of the job. Don't be afraid to wash them. If the hand tools are too dirty, wash them with soapy water to wipe away the grime. Remember to dry these tools to avoid rusting and corrosion. So maintaining wooden handles of hand tools, it is required to wipe them with a piece of cloth dampened in linseed oil. It will be helpful in keeping the handle clean and sturdy for a longer time. The next is the cleaning power tools. When it comes to power tools, cleaning and maintenance can be a tricky task. Before cleaning the power tools, make sure that these are switched off and unplugged. Wipe all the dust off with a cloth piece or a brush. Use machine oil to lubricate the moving parts of the tools to keep them in good working condition. Next is keep the toolbox clean. Along with keeping the tools clean, it is also important to take care of your toolbox and to clean regularly. Empty the toolbox and wipe it off with a clean cloth. If you use leather bags, make sure to do leather conditioning. Okay, we have the oiling electrical tools. The tools that have a cutting surface are necessary to be lightly oiled to prevent rust. Also, examine these tools and their surfaces to make sure that they are in good condition. Next is storing tools safe. If you don't store tools properly, there is no use of cleaning them. For a big collection of tools, a metal cabinet could be a good option. After using these tools, store them in a sorted and organized manner. This would not only help you to access them quickly, but also keep them safe. Electrical tools should not rub against each other when stored. Keep all the tools in the dry area and protect them from moisture, dust, and direct sunlight. To prevent injuries, keep the sharpened tool in a tool holder. Next one, inspect and repair tools. It is recommended to keep checking your tools at regular intervals. If there is any damage, repair them or replace them. First, crack or loose handles. Damaged wooden handle is prone to break while in use, causing injuries. Hence, it is required to replace them. However, if the handle is not partially damaged, sand it down. Sand till it gets smooth enough for further use. Finish the process by coating it with linseed oil. Second, mushroomed heads on wedges and chisels. Mushroom head implies that a striking edge has become malformed through use. In this situation, the head of the tool can shatter on impact. To solve this problem, keep it sharpened. Do it every 6 months for better results. So, these are tips to maintain and clean your electrical tools. Frequent inspection can help in maintaining them. Okay, that would be all class. I hope you are doing well. Keep safe always. Bye!